At Excel GC Mathematics Advanced Level C1, given a function of x is equal to x cubed plus x squared minus 4x minus 4, use the factor theorem to factorize the function. The factor theorem states that a polynomial f of x has a factor x minus some numerical value k if and only if f of k is equal to 0. The standard cubic function is ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, and if there are 3 unique factors, then it will be in the form f of x is equal to x plus some number p multiplied by x plus some number q multiplied by x plus some number r. Now, if you multiply p by q by r, it will equal d. And the reason to do this is it saves a lot of time that you would normally spend in trial and improvement methods. So look at p, q and r, multiply them together, they've got to equal d. And in this case, d is equal to minus 4. So what we have to do is just plough in the values of factors of minus 4. Now they are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, or plus or minus 4. Now we don't have to try any other numbers except for those 6, as it turns out. So let's start with f of 1. So a function of 1 into the polynomial gives us 1 cubed is equal to 1, plus 1 squared is equal to plus 1, minus 4 times 1 is minus 4, and then just minus 4 at the end, and that does not equal 0, that equals minus 6. So that is not going to help us to find one of the factors. So we'll now try the other possibility, which is f of minus 1. This time we get minus 1 times minus 1 is 1 times minus 1 is minus 1, so minus 1 cubed is minus 1, plus minus 1 squared, which is plus 1, minus 4 times minus 1 is plus 4, and then just minus 4. This time, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, plus 4 minus 4 is 0, so f of minus 1 gives us 0. So this has been useful in finding one of the factors, because f of minus 1 equals 0, and that's what we're looking for. However, if we plough f of minus 1 into it and we get 0, the factor is x minus k. Well, in this case, k is minus 1, so minus k is going to be plus 1. So our factor is going to be x plus 1. Let's just be clear about that. X minus k is a factor if a function of k equals 0. Well, k is minus 1, and it does equal 0, so x minus minus 1 is x plus 1. So now we'll try f of 2. And again, straight into the polynomial. 2 cubed is 8, plus 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 2, which is minus 8, minus 4. And that gives us 8 minus 8, 0, 4 minus 4, 0. Again, that gives us 0. So we can now say that f of 2 gives us 0. So k is equal to 2. So it's x minus 2 is another factor. Now we'll try f of minus 2. Minus 2 all cubed is minus 8. Plus minus 2 squared, which is plus 4. Minus 4 times minus 2 is plus 8. And then finally we've got minus 4. And that gives us minus 8 plus 8 0, plus 4 minus 4 0, again gives us 0. So k is equal to minus 2, so x minus k is x plus 2. So x plus 2 is the other factor. So what we have is x cubed plus x squared minus 4x minus 4 is identical to x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. And this can be expanded. You can expand the brackets to check. But you've solved the factors by using the factor theorem on this problem.